Now there's one final thing that I would like to discuss with you, and that's the theme preset folder. And we didn't touch this until now. You can remember probably that we went from group number 1 all the way to group number 9, and group number 9 actually concluded the workflow that we did for the EPS system. And that's the preset system, actually, that you can use to create your own presets. But as a, let's say as a bonus, I've also added a whole bunch of standalone conventional presets. So if you go to the internet, type in Lightroom presets in Google and then download any type of package, of preset package, and install them, this is exactly what you're going to get. Of course, you're going to get somebody else's presets. They're not going to look like these here, but in essence, it's the same thing. All of these presets are full-featured. They're going to adjust all of the settings in the develop module for the given image. And so you cannot compose them. There's no way of stacking them onto each other as we did for the regular EPS workflow up here. So take this as kind of an inspiration, a source of inspiration. So you can go through these and just pick different presets. If Lightroom decides not to be very sluggish here for a second. And you can apply all kinds of looks to your image right out of the box. And I will not go through all of them here. I'm just going to give you a brief indication because as we already discussed in the introduction video and in the material on the preset, the easy preset system page, any set of such presets here will look vastly different for different photos. So if this hyper preset, for example, looks good for this image, it's not guaranteed that it's going to look good for any image that you're going to expose it to. So just go through these and maybe you'll find something that you like. Maybe you find a bit of inspiration here. Of course, again, you can take any of these presets and adjust the settings here to change the look into any direction that you want to take it to. Now there's one important thing to note here, and before we do that, you can see that I've tried to order these and to categorize these. So there's a prefix here saying which type of preset it is. The letter part of the name is in most cases quite funky, so it's not like you can infer a lot from these names. That's not what they're meant to be. But if you look at this group in the middle here, where it says grads, all of these presets have one thing in common. They apply some type of local adjustment to your image. And the problem with this is that Lightroom, in its current version, has a nasty little bug which doesn't let you remove these local adjustment pins here if you choose another preset. So what that means is anytime you're going to choose one of these presets and then you move on to some other presets which don't have a graduated filter, so which are not in this grads section here, the preset is going to remain on the image. And that's not a feature or a bug in the easy preset system, it's a bug in Lightroom. And the way to cure this is, once you've selected any of these grads presets here, and you're going to move on to another preset, you should click on this Remove Graduated Filters preset. And if you click on that, you can see that the graduated filters are going to be removed. Now you can also do this by going to the Special Commands group up here and click on the Reset Grads Only. And that will do essentially the same thing. So whenever you're working with graduated filters, keep in mind that choosing a new preset will not remove them unless the preset itself has a graduated filter in it.